Hi, I'm Rachel Johnson, also known as the Charismatic Chemist, and today we'll be going into details on how you can use our Discovery Box to explore new product innovations, new ideas for your product line, and how to build your business based off of an inspiration box. A little background about our Discovery Box. The idea to create this box came to be due to a high volume of requests from our clients to explore new products without really starting a new project with us. So I used to just see what I had in the lab or some older formulations that I work on. I'm always innovating. I'm always writing formulations. So I just threw, things that I thought that they would love to see in a box, sent to them to review, and we started new projects that way. So essentially my clients were the inspiration behind this, and I decided to launch it publicly so that other people had the opportunity to use or to innovate from my creations. So when you receive your Discovery Box, it comes like this. And when you open, you'll see inside, it's me. And then you'll see a brochure inside that details all of our core values for the Charismatic Chemist, also about us, how you can work with us. All of the services that we provide, and a little snapshot of our cost that it entails, how to create a project with us. And then you'll also receive a postcard with a QR code on the postcard. And this QR code will give you access to the product overviews for the products that are included in the box. So you'll see how to use the product, some of the key ingredients and benefits from using the product, and also your ingredient list for the products included. And then you'll be able to discover what products are included in the box. So in this one in particular, it's a mix of all of our categories. So we have color, we have skincare, body care, and hair care all in one box. So once you get the box and you go through the ingredients to make sure there's no ingredients incorporated in them that you may be allergic to or may cause a reaction, my first suggestion would be to patch test the formulations that you want to try. So just take a little bit of the product and put it on your arm and make sure that you're not getting any reactions before you apply it to the full area. And then once you've done that and you know that there's not going to be any specific reactions to the products, you can go into the next part of creating. So if there's anything that catches your eye as far as the texture of the product or the ingredients or the smell, just take note of those. So if you are a beauty entrepreneur, you can use the planner. You can use our product development planner here. You can open up to the page where it says time to approve, and you can use this page in the planner to kind of gauge how you feel about the products. So it goes through the color, the smell, the texture, and if you like it or if you don't like it. It's a really great way to keep track of the formulations you have tried in your journey of developing a product, and how you feel about that product on paper versus just your sample. Write a journal entry or write about the products that you like and what you don't like about them, so you get a better idea of what you do like and what you do want to see in a product. After that, I would say you can use our lab notebook as an ingredient diary, right? So if there's any ingredients in there that I've expounded on in the product overviews that you really like, you can keep a journal entry of those in your lab notebook, so you can keep track of what ingredients you want to explore for your own products. Also, what ingredients you don't like either. Like if there's ingredients that are incorporated in my formulations that don't really align with your brand, you can keep track of that in your lab notebook, and you also can keep track of that in your planner as well, depending on what phase you are in your product development journey. Our Discovery Box is a snapshot view of our capabilities as far as formulation, but as well as our filling capabilities in manufacturing. So as far as product categories go, it's a very good way for you to see the types of formulas that I can create, the type of ingredients that I can work with in our lab, and you also can see the different types of packaging. So we do tubes, we do valves, we do bottles, sprays, pumps, jars, things of that nature. And you can see some of the packaging that we offer in our turnkey options when you develop your product with us. Nowadays, it takes about $50,000 of capital in order for you to begin your product development journey. I know that is a lot of money up front, but that's how much it costs to really do it the right way. But with this discovery box, most of the products are retail ready, which means that they have been formulated to be upscaled. They have been formulated to be acceptable in most of the markets that you would sell a product in. So you would not have to worry about the regulatory part of launching your product if you decide to move forward with our discovery box. H&S, QCV, those types of retailers that have a requirement for your products to be in a certain compliance in order for you to sell. All of those regulations have been considered when formulating these products, so you can have peace of mind that the products you're trying are compliant with any potential retailers that you're looking to expand into. With this box, you have the possibility of cutting a lot of cost by purchasing this, because most of the things that you would be considering in the very beginning stages of building your product has already been taken into account. With our box, our clients will be able to see that the ingredients that we incorporate into our formulations are of the highest quality and innovation. You get cutting edge technology, ingredients that have not been launched in the US yet. I love to be able to say that about some of the ingredients that are included in the formulations. We get first look at some of the most recent ingredient innovations, and I'm so honored to be able to include them in products like this and supply that to future clients. Most of the marketing ingredients that we include in our formulations are, again, like your first look at this type of technology. Not a lot of people have been able to see them, and we try to be the first to put it in a formulation to see if it works, but also get it in your hands so that you can try it before anybody else. You do not have to be an entrepreneur or beauty business owner in order to purchase this box. What you can look forward to if you're not business oriented, you can look forward to the newest products on the market without being on the market, right? An exclusive look to how a chemist puts formulations together, how our way of thinking of what goes behind choosing ingredients to put into a formulation, what I think is cool, what I'm innovating in the lab, and how I think, how I move. A lot of people want to know how a chemist develops products, or how a chemist develops their opinion about ingredients and about textures and about smells. And you get the first look straight from me and not through someone else that would speak for me, because I'm telling you one-on-one what I like, what I don't like, what you can look forward to as far as using these products as well. Most of these products, I try to think about some of the gaps in the market, like what's missing, or what ingredients or what textures will go really well together. I love new textures. I love innovative textures and things that you've never seen before. So it's kind of hard to describe some of these things on video or in text. It's easier for you to try it and see it for yourself, and give me feedback, right? So if you like it, let me know. If you like it, if you don't, let me know too. And it makes me better, but also makes the formulations better as well. We do have different categories of the discovery box. So you can purchase a standard discovery box that includes up to 11 different products, but you could also choose very specific boxes. So we have a color box, we have a hair box, a skin, and then a personal care one, which is kind of like your general use body care. Most of the formulations in here are retail ready, but they are not on the market yet. So you'll be able to test them out and decide if you want to move forward with launching the products. Also, you can own the formulations that are included in this box. You have the opportunity to work one-on-one with a cosmetic chemist to launch your product. Very unique approach to product discovery and product testing. where it's delivered straight to your door. Nobody has to know what products you're testing but you. I think it'll be a really great addition to how you're discovering products and how you're integrating your sampling for the next product that you're planning to launch. I know product discovery is a big journey for those, trying to find the right chemist, trying to find the right contract manufacturer, like trying to find the individual that's going to help you bring your vision to life. And this is my way of getting it right in front of you without a lot of back and forth and a lot of questions and a lot of communicating and consulting. You could just try it, and whatever you like, that'll start our conversation. We have a starting point based off of what you see.